Myself, Chandrasekar, Senior General Manager of S&T Group. S&T Group is having 3 decades of expertise in machine tool industry. In the year 2023, there was an anti-dumping duty for laser cutting and welding machines imported from China. After that, there was a huge gap for quality and reliable laser cutting machines. As we had a prior manufacturing expertise and supply chain ready, we took this as an opportunity and we started our manufacturing of laser cutting and welding machines in the year 2024. Our facility includes 20,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Also, we have 18 plus branches across India at various locations which take care of pre-sales, sales, after-sales service and application related activities. From this factory, we have delivered 250 plus machines across India, which is running at our customer places successfully. To expand and strengthen our market share in Gujarat and nearby states, we are participating in an exhibition ENGIMACH, December 3 to 7, Hall 9 and Stall P7. We request every one of you to visit our stall, experience our products. We are displaying different kind of models, laser cutting machine, press brake machine, laser welding machine. Please visit us. Thank you.